Grand Rising, King. Before you even move, feel this. You woke up with breath in your lungs and fire in your soul. That alone makes you unstoppable. Today doesn't own you. You own today. You are not here to chase. You are not here to beg. You are here to lead, to create, to move through this world with intention, purpose, and power. You are a man of value. You are grounded, clear, present. You don't seek validation. You embody certainty. You don't force outcomes. You move with precision. You don't get shaken by chaos. You become the calm in it. You are the kind of man that people notice, not because you try, but because your energy speaks louder than words. Your presence is magnetic. Your focus is rare. Your word is gold. And your discipline is unmatched. You are the type of man who shows up for himself, for his vision, for the people he loves. You know your worth, and you act like it. You walk with purpose. You speak with clarity. You move with quiet confidence that doesn't need to shout. You don't chase money. Money flows to the man who is aligned. You don't chase women. You attract from overflow, not lack. You don't chase power. You are power. Grounded, focused, magnetic. You respect yourself. You trust yourself. You back yourself. You are allowed to be powerful and kind, strong and soft, structured and free. You are not a machine. You are a man with depth, with soul, with wisdom earned through experience. Every day you become a better version of yourself, not through pressure, but through presence, through showing up, through choosing alignment over approval, peace over proving. Your past doesn't define you. Your standards do. And today, those standards are high. You are a man who creates momentum. You don't wait for the right time. You decide and the world adjusts. You don't need permission. You move because you believe. You trust your inner voice. You trust your instincts. You are not afraid to lead, to love, to evolve. Today, you rise with clarity in your mind, power in your body, and purpose in your spirit. You speak truth. You walk tall. You hold your vision like a king holds a kingdom, steady, unshaken. Because you are not just magnetic by effort. You are magnetic by nature, by design, by alignment. So take a breath, stand tall, and walk into the world like the man you already are. This is your day. Own it.